First, to prep my skin, I used the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This is very hydrating and it feels like it has a grip that I like for foundation base. Next, I'm going to use the DANESSA Myrick's Illuminating Veil Liquid Highlighter. This one is in Serenity. I actually do not think that you need this whole pump. Half pump would do. I'm just gonna put that here on my chin, a little bit on my nose, basically wherever I highlight. Right, I'm gonna leave it like this for now and then I'm gonna add more later. For my foundation, I'm going to use the DANESSA Maryx Vision Cream Cover. This one is N05. I'm gonna put it here, just one pump for now, because I haven't tried this. This is the first time I'm going to use it. Also, I don't know if the color matches me, but I'm going to use and distribute it with my finger. And then I'm gonna use a sponge. I've heard a lot of good things about this foundation and I heard that it's very full coverage, which is my jam. Wow. This is amazing. Are you guys seeing this? Wow. Are you guys seeing this? Oh wow. That's quite amazing. So this foundation is very thin, very full coverage. It's really light on the skin. It's like I'm not wearing any foundation, but it's very full coverage, which is amazing. I am blown right now. And the color matches me so well too. I don't think I need concealer. I can just use another layer to cover whatever I want to cover. Have you guys tried this? Okay, DANESSA. This one is the DANESSA Maryx Beauty Waterproof Cream Palette. This one is the primary color palette. This is gonna be brave, but I really want to make a contour color. Basically, I'm trying to make a brown. This is my favorite brush for cream products. This is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. I love this brush. I should get more. I actually like this brush for powder too. Okay, I am nervous about it, but okay, here we go. We'll just do a little bit of it. Is it too gray? For my nose contour, I'm going to use the Real Techniques. I don't know which one is this, but it is, I think it is for a concealer. This cream palette is actually blending nice with the foundation. I think that they go very well with each other. Okay, I think that is good. I love the contour. I'm just gonna bring it down on my neck to match my neck. I should have gotten DANESSA powder, but I didn't. I'll purchase that today. So I'm just gonna use the translucent powder from One Size. This is a very good powder. I enjoy it. I like powders that has sifters like this. I'm gonna set all over my face. Not baking, I'm setting. There's a big difference between baking and setting. So what I'm doing right now is setting. Okay, now I'm going to bake. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Balm Brows. This one is in soft black. All right, I think that's amazing. Today I'm not going to use any eyeshadow powder. So I'm just gonna set my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is an amazing product. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend this. This will change your life as it changed mine. I don't think I can live without this anymore. All right, for my eyes, I have a few DANESSA Maryx Color Fix. I want to do something like a smoke black and then put this twin flames on top. I don't know what's gonna happen. I am nervous, yes. Let's do the base first, which is the black one. This one is blackout. Not gonna get a lot, it's just a drop. So for storage, you want this stored in, you want it to seal it nicely. Put it in a bag that doesn't have a lot of light. In my experience, when I expose like cream shadows like this to light, they don't last. Any makeup, when you expose them to light, the shelf lives just decrease. I have heard reviews that their DANESSA MYRICKS Color Fix dry out really fast. I think it's because it's not stored properly. Just keep it in mind if you guys buy this. These are not cheap at all, so might as well take care of them. This is the blackout. Woo. This is like super tiny amount, and I'm going to fade it as I blow it up. Wow, I can hear birds now. Yes. Springtime. I'm so tired of snow. We're in upstate New York. It's a lovely place. Nature is just one of the best that I've ever seen. But the snow, man. Winter here, it's unbearable. Well, definitely this is an easier way to deal with black shadow. I don't have any fallout. I don't have to worry about fallout. If you like smoky, going smoky black, I think this is the best way to go. I love how easy this is. Very easy to work with. Okay, I think that is super nice. I love it. All right, next we're going to use the Twin Flames. This one is True Love. It says here it's for eyes and face. It's a very makeup artist pro type of product. On top here. Wow. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use my finger or I can just wing it like this. It's applying smoothly, super pigmented. I'm trying not to blink so it doesn't creases or it doesn't go. It's just I'm trying not to move my eyes. Wow, okay. Okay, I wasn't really prepared. I wasn't sure if this look was gonna work, but it seems like it's working very well. Oh my gosh, I love this. I don't think it's dry yet. We'll wait. Wow, okay. I forgot to use this one for my blush. I already set my face. I don't want to put cream on top of the powder. I think it's gonna be patchy. This one is the Vision Flush from DANESSA MYRICKS. This one is Ballet Slippers. You know what? Surprisingly, this eyeshadow doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels like I don't have anything on my eyes, and I love that because a lot of liquid eyeshadows or cream eyeshadows are very heavy on the lids. So these are amazing products. I think that you guys are gonna love this. They're very special. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm just gonna put it here, the back of my hand. This is Ballet Slippers. Super cute. Usually ballet slippers would be very light pink, but I think this is catered for a darker skin tone. This is the version of ballet slippers. So this has a very interesting taste, like a soapy taste. I just want to try it. I think I put a little bit too much of the eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow, so it's taking a while to dry. If you don't want a lot, you can just take it and put it at the back of your hand and use your finger to apply it. I use the spoolie to apply it like a gloss. So now it is thicker than what a finger application would do, but I don't really regret it. It is very pretty. It is so pretty. I'm so excited. Look at that. Next, I have her loose powder highlighter, DANESSA MYRICKS Enlight. I have the Enlight Halo Powder in Sun, Enlight Halo Powder in Angel Wings. Angel Wings is more on a pink, but it looks orange here on the container. But once you apply it, it looks like very pink. Halo is iced. I think I'm gonna go with the Sun, this one. I should have applied it before I set my face. It's just gonna fly everywhere because it's more on a glitter type. Super duper shiny. It looks like this. You need a cream base for this highlighter. So maybe I should have applied it before I set everything. in. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply the highlighter, the liquid highlighter, with a sponge right here. Okay, I'm gonna take off the powder. I still have powder here. And I'm not feeling the lip color, so I'm gonna take that off too. Although it's very beautiful and I think it would be beautiful for a natural look. I would love this for a natural monochromatic look. For my blush, I'm going to use the Too Faced Cosmetics. This one is the Love Blush. All right, for my inner corner, I'm going to put Milky Way. This one is the foil. Oof, you guys haven't seen this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This one is Milky Way. It's the most silver, the lightest shade that they have. Just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. Ready? You guys already know I love putting sparkles in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm going to spray. This one is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. If that's a lot for you. Refreshing. It feels so good. I'm gonna try this one. This one is the Lancome Base. I never use a base mascara, but apparently it's good. So I'm gonna use base mascara and then I'm going to use the Dior Show mascara. Okay, so that's the base, the Lancome Base Mascara. What did you call this? The Cils Booster XL. And then I'm gonna use the Dior. Alright guys, so that's the mascara. So pretty. Alright, for my lips, I want something nude. Really good nude. Although this lip right now is special. I feel like I don't have to do anything. For my lips, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Contour. For my lipstick, sorry, I use Bloom to Bloom. This one is the Velvet Blur from ColourPop. These are my favorite ColourPop lip formula, the Velvet Blur. It's so amazing. It makes your lines on your lips disappear and the colors are amazing. The Duet, DANESSA MYRICKS Duet Highlighting Facial Balm. If you are familiar with Makeup by Mario, he released the balm. DANESSA MYRICKS has it too, but she has like a bigger pan. So this one is in clear. She has different colors. She has one clear with golden glitters, like micro glitters. But since I already have this, I can just mix them together if I wanted to. So let's see if it's gonna work. Do me, give it to me. Let's see if it's blending with, and it's not taking off the makeup, the powder makeup that I already put there. So it seems like it's the same formula with Makeup by Mario. It doesn't lift anything on your face. It just sticks right there and give you that nice expensive glow. Probably 4 or 5 different colors. She has it with like a bronzer one, and then there is like a highlighter one. All right guys, so this is it. This is for the look. I didn't know that it was gonna turn out like this. It's so beautiful. My eyes, it looks so beautiful. The foundation, incredible. Blew my brain. Very full coverage. If you are familiar with the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation, the DANESSA MYRICKS, is more full coverage. It is the best full coverage foundation that I ever tried. You don't even need concealer with this one. It feels so light on the face. For the liquid highlighter, it's good, it's great, but I've seen a lot of liquid highlighters already that does the same. What I like about this is it stay put, didn't move under my foundation. This one gripped on my face and it dried. The Enlight Halo, the colors are amazing. The more you put it, the more it's gonna glow. These highlighters are glowing, glowing, glowing. For the Vision Flush, I didn't get to use it. I forgot to put it under the setting powder. I would use this with a natural look, like an everyday look. I like the color. I like that it's not very pink yet. The name is Ballet Slippers. I love that. For this palette, if you are someone who likes to create different colors and you're very adventurous with the colors that you put on your face, this is great. This is a must-have makeup pro artist. I actually bought this for the kids. Face painting for my kids. Color Fix. I love them so much. You guys have to try at least get one matte, one metallic, one foil. I recommend Celebration Gingerbread. Gingerbread is a nice color. I also recommend the foils. They are amazing, like what I put here. And I like it that it's not flaky. They don't go flaky. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment box below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support. I appreciate you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Join the giveaway.
Good job.